Ahead of its global debut next week, Kia India has released the design sketches of the upcoming MPV, giving us a hint of its final design. These pictures reveal the exterior and interior sketches of the upcoming Carens. Up front, we can see a Y-shaped LED DRL separated by a slim front grille. The bonnet is also quite flat and it gives a muscular look to the Carens. The MPV gets a split headlamp design with slim looking profile, which will be an all LED unit at least on higher trims. The front end looks strong with an upright nose and a chunky front bumper that gets a strong separator in between the top and the air intake at the bottom. Also gets an aggressive looking faux kit plate. On the side, a character line emerges from the DRL and blends in with the front door, which further continues with another character line emerging from the rear door and merging with the tail lamps. There is a 5-spoke alloy wheel which are expected to be diamond cut. The MPV has given a floating roof design as the pillars are blacked out except the D pillar. There are roof rails and a chrome window belt line that extends all the way to the D pillar. There will be a plastic cladding throughout the side profile of the MPV to give a SUV look. The rear gets a LED tail lamp setup that is connected via a red strip that runs through the full width of the car. The rear bumper also has a muscular look and there are 2 reflectors and a faux kit plate. Also gets a rear wiper with a washer and a high mounted stop lamp. The interior picture shows a premium looking dashboard, below a gear lever for the automatic transmission, a leather wrapped multifunctional steering wheel, a large touchscreen infotainment system which will be a 10-inch unit for higher variants and 8-inch unit for mid variants. We'll also get an all digital instrument cluster with sporty looking theme. The Carens is expected to be powered by the brand's 1.5 litre petrol and diesel engines which are already offered in Seltos. Kia will officially reveal the Carens on 16th of December, which is only a week away from now. Let's wait to witness what Kia has got to shatter the market leaders Ertiga and XL6 duos. Thanks for watching.